As an insurance professional, you care about the well-being of your clients and their families. You help to minimize their exposure to a variety of perils and mitigate their losses if catastrophe strikes. But what if they themselves are seriously injured in an accident or have some other medical emergency where they are rushed to the emergency room? This is a very critical situation that most are not adequately prepared for. It can have dire consequences. However, this also provides you with an incredible opportunity to help.
You see, there are two huge issues that come into play when the seriously injured are rushed to the emergency room. The first is that first responders and doctors will know very little, if anything, about the patient's underlying medical condition and history. Allergies, medications, and the like can greatly complicate treatment. Second, the police say it can take many hours to find and notify next of kin. It's a bad situation all around.
This is exactly why we developed the ICE Medical Card program. Our members have a secure and simple to use online data center where they can personally store their emergency information. Not just a wide range of medical information, but also emergency contacts, locations of important documents, and even how to get in touch with their insurance agent. When our member is in trouble, first responders will find their distinct membership card or key tag and will be instructed on how to quickly access the member's info at the speed of the internet. Instantly, potentially life-saving information is in the hands of those who need it right now. This program is an incredible opportunity for you to stand out and show your clients how much you care. By partnering with ICE Medical Cards, you can provide this service at a huge discount off our regular individual prices and provide yourself with a great customer retention piece like no other. How important is it to you and your livelihood to stand out in your ultra-competitive industry? Our Insurance Professional Partnership Program is very easy and inexpensive to implement. We can even brand the card for your agency if you so desire. It's up to you. Be the first in your area to offer this incredible protection. Contact us today. And before you go, see what others, including a shark from Shark Tank, are saying about the ICE Medical Card.
Nearly 30 million Americans will visit an ER this year due to an accident. Many will not be able to talk with first responders or doctors. What if this happens to you or a family member? How can you make sure that EMTs and ERs have all of your critical info with your life on the line? The answer is your personal ICE medical card system. It comes with a prominent ID card and key tag to alert first responders that you are covered. The back tells them how to pull up your critical personal and medical info instantly, anywhere in the world. This is information from record only you create and easily maintain and update through your member portal. Emergency contact info, medical history, allergies and prescriptions, and important documents. All of this info right there when seconds count. Don't risk another day being unprotected. Get your card today.
A lot of people don't know about even ICE, and they think that putting the information in their phone is sufficient. But in a serious accident, the force of impact is going to break the phone, or you all probably have locked phones like I do, so it's not really going to be much help. So,
good point. Good point.
So we need a system whereby our hardworking heroes, the first responders, EMTs, doctors, can have access to your important information very quickly, and they try really hard, but we don't make it very easy for them. So the ICE Medical Card is an online portal. Our members carry a very distinctive wallet card that they put in their purse or their wallet right in front of their driver's license, and a very distinctive key tag for their ring, or their key ring.
Right.
And so when EMTs are there, they see this right away. On the back, they can scan a QR code or go to a website that's on the back of the card or the tag, and they have to correctly enter the account number and PIN, which is our security feature, and it brings up whatever the accident victim wanted them to know. And we kind of stylize it as, what would you want these folks to know if you could wake up for a couple of minutes? It's not just about who to call, it's medical information, something as simple as where's my DNR or my health records. Special needs children have all sorts of issues, so we want to make sure that these folks get it very quickly, and it works anywhere in the world there's access to the internet.
Because there's amazing benefits from this product that you know sometimes you don't think about, but if you saw it,
actually lowers the cost of medical care, because when somebody goes in and is in
quicker they can get,
the
to find
information-
out what kind of
really going-
needs they might have,
Yeah,
right?
I mean, the guy's diabetic. He's got this going on, that going on. So in actual fact, this could be an integral part of lowering the cost of actually delivering medical care. I mean, and it's not even just I want my kid handled. It's also other businesses that are vested in spending the least amount possible to get the result would also get benefit.
I really
from
like
that.
this. My mom is a nurse, and I think of her and the patients and how this is really a helpful product and the important information that can give at a critical time. I really love that you can go on the site and adjust the information yourself. You go on if your medical status changes or additional, or you get a pet even if you're in an accident. Oh, I have a dog. Somebody needs to, let my dog out, or my daughter needs to be picked up at 3:30. And they look and go, oh my gosh, you were in this accident at 2:30, you're not going to make it. And there's a phone number that you can then call. There's a lot of safety in there. Like as a mom, I think, my daughter just got her permanent license. I want her to have one. God forbid she's in an accident. I want them to be able to pull up that information and call mom. So I'm one of the first ones who knows. It's a lot different than an ID bracelet. I've seen those. But this is so much more than an ID bracelet. Sometimes you'll just notice, okay, they have a problem. You can see it's diabetic or heart. But this is so much more because
some people, they need more than what they need, like a chain around their arms.
There you go. You need a whole lot going right up the arm.
It's got the QR code. This is modern day. I mean, you can scan it. It's on the website. It's changeable on a daily basis.
Much more information, much more inclusive information, and the better technology than just an ID. This is so much bigger and better than an ID bracelet.
It touches so many Americans in ways they never even knew. If I'm in an accident, how is someone going to know my blood type? How are they going to know my medical history? They might not, because there's still a long way to go with medical records today being electronically transmitted back and forth between hospitals. It's a pain.
And it's a great way for public safety to really talk about and identify and assist people that really can't speak on their behalf. People that are incapacitated due to a traffic collision, or people that, for whatever reason, special needs children that, for whatever reason, cannot speak for themselves.
This is a perfect way of getting information for those who need it. I think it's a great idea. Everything we can to cut down the time to notify loved ones of an accident or an injury or an illness is very important, and this is a great way to help do that.
People also, things change medically for them, health-wise, different allergies, and the other thing for a family, if you could add people as you go, like if you have more children, so think about that.
Exactly.
So the monthly plan is something that sounds affordable.